wasn't tightly bound, they just vibrate and doesn't move. And these are the characteristics of solid. Then when the solid is heated, it's to increase temperature. As temperature gets closer to the melting point, potential energy is gonna be increased. This is called the latent state of fusion. So then atoms now can move relatively free. Liquids are wet, such as water. The molecules move more freely than solid. It flows to place from high to low. And these are the characteristics of liquid. Then when the liquid is heated, it's to increase temperature. As temperature gets higher, they can evaporate. Molecules with high speed can escape the surface. This can happen at any temperature. This is called evaporation process. Gases are light, they feel in space. The molecules